The 10 animals that can regenerate lost limbs. In the vast and astonishing world of nature, there are creatures capable of performing an amazing act of regeneration that defies all logic. Imagine being able to recover a lost limb as if it were a superpower. In this video, we will take you on a journey to explore the mysteries of animal regeneration, revealing the 10 incredible living beings that have mastered this astonishing phenomenon. Get ready to delve into the realm of biology and discover the surprises that evolution has in store for us. Number 10. Earthworm. Earthworms, despite their modest appearance and discreet place in nature, are truly amazing creatures. These ringed invertebrates are known for their unique ability to regenerate lost limbs, a feature that grants them a special place in the animal world. Earthworms are essential for the health of our soils and, consequently, for the survival of numerous plant and animal species. Although they may seem like simple worms, their ecological importance is incalculable. These hard-working creatures dig tunnels and mix soil, facilitating the circulation of air and water, and contributing to the decomposition of organic matter. Their constant work improves soil fertility and allows plants to grow more healthily. What makes earthworms even more amazing is their regenerative capacity. If an earthworm loses a part of its body, such as a portion of its tail or even a segment of its body, it can regenerate that lost limb. This phenomenon is possible due to their circulatory system and segmented nature. Earthworms are composed of numerous segments, and each one of them can regenerate if damaged or severed. Number 9. Halloween crab. The Halloween crab is a fascinating creature that has intrigued scientists and nature lovers with its astonishing ability to regenerate. Although not as well known as other regenerative animals, such as salamanders, Halloween crabs deserve a prominent place in the world of biology due to their impressive ability to recover lost limbs. These crabs mainly inhabit the tropical forests of Central and South America, where their striking red and black shells have made them an iconic species. However, what truly makes them special is their ability to regenerate their lost legs, claws, and appendages during encounters with predators or accidents. This ability has become a key survival mechanism for Halloween crabs. When a Halloween crab loses a leg, its regeneration begins from a specialized cut point, which acts as a starting zone. The stem cells present in this area multiply and differentiate to form new structures. Over time, the lost limb begins to grow back, and although the process may take several months, the result is impressive: a fully functional new leg. Number 8. Planarian. Planarians, those tiny yet amazing creatures that inhabit a variety of aquatic and terrestrial habitats, have piqued the curiosity and admiration of scientists and biology enthusiasts worldwide. These seemingly modest animals have demonstrated a remarkable ability that sets them apart in the animal kingdom: the regeneration of lost limbs. This fascinating phenomenon is one of the most notable aspects of planarian biology. If a planarian loses a part of its body, be it a head, a tail, or even an intermediate portion, it can completely regenerate it. This process, known as regeneration, involves a series of complex biological processes that allow the planarian to recover what it has lost. This amazing regenerative power has made planarians key research subjects in the field of tissue and organ regeneration. Planarians use specialized stem cells to carry out this process. These stem cells, known as neoblasts, are essential for regeneration. When a planarian undergoes amputation, neoblasts are activated and begin to differentiate into the cells needed to rebuild the lost part of the body. This may include the formation of tissues, muscles, nerves, and other structural elements. Number 7. Hermit crab. The hermit crab, a fascinating creature that inhabits oceans worldwide, is known for its astonishing ability to regenerate lost limbs. This small crustacean, often underestimated due to its modest appearance, possesses an amazing recovery power that makes it a true natural treasure. Hermit crabs are known for their unique way of life. Instead of growing their own shells like other crabs, these hermit crabs choose to take up residence in empty shells of marine mollusks, adapting perfectly to them. This choice of mobile housing provides excellent protection against predators and allows them to grow throughout their lives. One of the most remarkable features of hermit crabs is their ability to regenerate. If a hermit crab loses a leg or claw due to an accident or a predator encounter, it has the unique ability to regrow the lost limb. This regenerative process is incredible, as it involves the effective recreation of tissue, muscles, and exoskeleton. The new limb can be equally functional and strong as the previous one, giving the hermit crab a second chance in case of injuries. Number 6. Octopus. The octopus is an enigmatic marine animal that has captivated the human imagination throughout history. One of the most astonishing aspects of these marine beings is their unique ability to regenerate lost limbs. This extraordinary ability has intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, making the octopus a symbol of resilience and adaptation in the animal kingdom. Octopuses are cephalopods, close relatives of squids and nautiluses. Their regeneration of limbs is particularly notable in their tentacles, which are essential for their survival. When an octopus finds itself in a dangerous situation and loses a tentacle, its ability to regenerate this crucial part of its anatomy becomes an amazing survival mechanism. The process of regeneration in octopuses involves the ability to grow fully functional tentacles again. This biological phenomenon has become a subject of study for scientists seeking to understand and apply the principles behind regeneration in medical research. The regenerative ability of octopuses suggests promising possibilities in the field of regenerative medicine, where researchers aim to learn from nature to develop treatments for human injuries and diseases. Number 5. Sea anemone. The sea anemone has been a source of admiration and wonder in various cultures throughout history. This astonishing and enigmatic being is known for its unique ability to regenerate lost limbs, a phenomenon that has captivated the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts of marine life alike. The sea anemone is a marine animal belonging to the Cnidarian group, which includes jellyfish and corals. These creatures are characterized by their flower-like appearance, with tentacles surrounding their mouth and a body column that attaches to the substrate. Sea anemones can be found in oceans worldwide, from cold to warm waters, and they adapt to a wide variety of marine habitats, from coral reefs to rocky and sandy bottoms. What truly makes the sea anemone remarkable is its regenerative ability. If one of these creatures sustains damage to a limb or part of its body, it can fully regenerate it. This regeneration process is essential for their survival, as they face predators that attempt to devour their tentacles. The sea anemone uses this ability to recover lost parts and continue functioning normally. Number 4. Gecko. The gecko, a small and fascinating reptile, is an astonishing example of the wonderful regenerative ability in the animal kingdom. These lizards, belonging to the Geckonidae family, are known for their ability to regenerate lost limbs, which has sparked the interest and admiration of scientists and nature lovers alike. The regeneration of limbs is an extraordinary process that, unfortunately, is quite rare in the animal world. Geckos have the ability to regenerate their tails, legs, and toes if any of these parts are damaged or severed due to a predator or some other accident. This is possible due to the presence of stem cells in their limbs, which have the ability to become various types of tissues, allowing the regeneration of the lost structure. This amazing regenerative process has led to scientific research to better understand the mechanisms behind this ability. Scientists hope to apply this knowledge to benefit regenerative medicine in humans and other areas of biotechnology. The gecko's ability to regenerate limbs is not only a biological curiosity but also a source of inspiration for the study of regeneration in general. Number 3. Lizard. The lizard, a small and fascinating reptile, has been a source of admiration and wonder throughout history due to its impressive ability to regenerate lost limbs. This unique ability has led to lizards being considered remarkable creatures in the animal kingdom, demonstrating a resilience and adaptability that has piqued the curiosity and admiration of many cultures over time. The regeneration of limbs in lizards is a truly astonishing process. When a lizard loses a tail or a leg in an encounter with a predator or an accident, it has the astonishing ability to regrow that limb in a relatively short period. This phenomenon, known as autotomy and regeneration, has led to a deep appreciation of lizards in various cultures and societies, as well as to scientific studies to better understand this unique process. In many cultures, lizards have been seen as symbols of resilience and renewal. Their ability to recover from serious injuries and continue their daily lives has led to the belief that lizards possess regenerative powers that can be invoked or imitated by humans in times of adversity. In some traditions, they are considered lucky charms and are attributed protective properties. Number 2. Axolotl. The axolotl is a fascinating creature that has captured the admiration and respect of scientists, biologists, and nature lovers worldwide. Native to the lakes and canals of Mexico City and some surrounding regions, the axolotl is a unique animal in many ways, with its ability to regenerate lost limbs being one of the most astonishing features. In indigenous culture and Mexican mythology, the axolotl held a special place. It was considered a divine being and a symbol of rejuvenation and renewal. Its ability to regenerate limbs, organs, and even parts of the brain was interpreted as a powerful act of regeneration and transformation, associated with the goddess Xolotl, who symbolized the evening star and the renewal of the cycle of life. For ancient Mexicans, the axolotl was an embodiment of immortality and resilience, and its image was depicted on artifacts and temples as a representation of the connection between nature and spirituality. In the modern world, scientists have been studying the axolotl to better understand its regenerative capabilities, with the hope of applying this knowledge in regenerative medicine and biotechnology. The axolotl's ability to regenerate limbs and organs has drawn significant attention due to its potential to aid in the healing of injuries and diseases in humans. Number 1. Starfish. Starfish, fascinating creatures that inhabit oceans worldwide, are known for their incredible ability to regenerate. This astonishing phenomenon, which has piqued the curiosity of scientists and nature lovers alike, has turned these marine creatures into true wonders of biological regeneration. Starfish, or asterozoans, can regenerate lost limbs in a truly unique way in the animal kingdom. If a starfish experiences an accident or is attacked by a predator and loses one or more of its arms, it can efficiently regenerate them. This regenerative process involves the ability of the stem cells present in its body to transform into different types of cells, allowing them to recreate not only the missing arms but also other vital organs if necessary. Regeneration in starfish occurs through a biological process that involves cell division and cell differentiation, enabling the formation of new structures. As the regenerated arms grow, a central disc develops, and eventually, the animal regains its characteristic star shape.